Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Guide Hub. Today in this video, I'm going to guide you guys on a step-by-step tutorial on how to create Phantom Wallet account. Phantom is a cryptocurrency wallet that is designed to offer a user-friendly interface for managing digital assets. In order to create your Phantom Wallet account, first you'll need to open your Phantom app. The first interface of Phantom Wallet will look like this. Here, you'll find two options: create a new wallet and import an existing wallet. Since we are creating a new account, you'll have to tap on the very first option that says create a new wallet. Here, you can enable your fingerprint authentication or Face ID authentication by toggling on the device option, or if you don't want to do that, you can tap on the next button. On the next page, it will show you secret recovery phrases that will help you in order to recover your account. Make sure to store the secret recovery phrases somewhere safe where no one will be able to get access of. After you have successfully stored your secret recovery phrases, you'll have to tap in the OK, I saved it somewhere button. A confirmation will pop up asking whether if you have written the secret recovery phrases or not. You'll have to tap in the yes option. And just like that, you have successfully created your Phantom Wallet account. Now you'll have to agree to the terms of services by tapping on the circle. After tapping on the circle, you'll have to tap on Get Started button. Here you're asked if you want notification of the instant updates. If you want notification, you can enable it, or if you don't want, you can tap on Not Now option. You'll have to agree on the terms of services again by clicking on the Understood button. Now you are in the main home page of your Phantom Wallet account. This was an easy step-by-step tutorial on how to create your Phantom Wallet account. Thank you for staying till the very end of this video. I hope this video was helpful for you. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to leave us like, share and subscribe.